The bustling office, once alive with chatter and clattering keyboards, fell silent overnight. Desks that were once crowded with personal items now sit empty, replaced by the glow of home monitors. The transition was abrupt. No farewells, no gradual goodbyes. The world of work had changed in an instant, leaving behind only echoes of what used to be. At first, the freedom was intoxicating. No more rush hour traffic, no rigid schedules, just the comfort of home. People sipped coffee in pajamas, took breaks when they pleased, and reclaimed hours once lost to commuting. But beneath the surface, a question lingered. Was this newfound liberty too good to last? The line between work and life began to fade. Emails arrived at midnight, meetings spilled into family time. The home, once a sanctuary, became a 24/7 office. Desks piled high with documents, and the glow of screens replaced the warmth of human connection. The freedom had a cost, one that wasn't immediately clear. The absence of small talk left a void. No more water cooler jokes, no spontaneous brainstorming sessions, just the hum of a silent home. Slack messages replaced laughter, and the isolation grew heavier with each passing day. The convenience of remote work came with an unexpected companion: loneliness. Zoom calls became performances. Smiles were forced, backgrounds carefully curated, and exhaustion hidden behind virtual filters. The pressure to appear perfect weighed heavily, and the screen that once connected people now felt like a barrier. The more they tried to seem present, the more distant they became. New hires struggled in silence. Without the guidance of a mentor across the desk, questions went unanswered and confidence wavered. The digital workspace lacked the unspoken lessons of office life, the subtle cues, the shared struggles. Growth became a solitary journey, and many felt left behind. Parents balanced deadlines and daycare, their homes now both office and playground. A child's laughter interrupted conference calls. Crayon drawings covered important documents. The joy of family was ever present, but so was the guilt of divided attention, of never being fully present for either role. Slowly, people began to push back. Notebooks replaced tablets, park benches became meeting rooms. The need for real connection outweighed the convenience of pixels. Laughter returned, unfiltered and unscripted. The rebellion was small, but it was a start, a step back toward humanity. The office returned, but not as it once was. Half-empty desks, spaced apart with plexiglass dividers. Some thrived in the structure, others felt out of place. The hybrid model was a compromise, neither fully remote nor fully present. The question remained: could balance ever truly be found? As the sun set, a worker closed their laptop and sighed. The journey had been long, full of freedom, loneliness, and adaptation. There was no perfect answer, only the quiet acceptance that happiness wasn't found in a location, but in the moments between. The screen went dark, but the story wasn't over.